Setting up direct deposit to your Bank of America account is a convenient way to receive recurring payments, such as your salary or government benefits. Here's how to do it. Obtain your account information. First, you will need your Bank of America account number and the bank's routing number. You can find this information on your checks or by logging into your online banking account. Contact your employer or payer. Inform your employer or the organization that will be making the direct deposit payment that you want to set it up. They will typically provide you with a direct deposit authorization form or instructions on how to do it online. Fill out the direct deposit form. Complete the form provided by your employer or payer. You will need to enter your Bank of America account number, routing number, and personal information. Double check all the details to ensure accuracy. Submit the form. Submit the filled out form to your employer's HR department or follow the online instructions provided. Your employer or payer will then process your direct deposit request. Confirm with Bank of America. After your employer or payer processes the request, Bank of America will verify the information and your direct deposit will be set up. You can check your account to ensure that funds are being deposited as expected.